Hello everyone, my name is Adam Mestyan and I am an assistant professor of history at Duke University. And this is just a little introductory video to those of you who will participate in our little summer virtual workshop that I co-teach together with my colleague, Dr. Hugh Kailas from Duke University Libraries. As you know very well, this little workshop will be about how to use XML TEI for Arabic texts. And in this little introductory video, I would just like to give you a few remarks about the big picture, about what we will do here and what does this mean. It's simply what we will teach you is how to create a database. A machine-readable text is a database that you can manipulate with all kinds of tools, programs, softwares, and codes. Usually, TEI XML texts are digital editions, books in digital editions, poems, documents, and so on and so forth. Arabic script texts are rare because it's not easy to mark up manually or automatically Arabic script text, but we will try to show you some tricks during this workshop. And practically that's all. In a way, we want to teach you how to think about the text as a database, how to create a text as a machine-readable text. This is not a workshop in how to OCR PDF documents and translate from one format to another, but this is about how to create from an already available electronic Arabic script text, a machine-readable one. So this workshop will be useful for historians, philologists, and those historical linguists who want to deal with one specific text, one specific project, and would like to go deep and using manual tools, mark up an electronic text. Of course, there are methods for automatization, and we'll try to teach you some, but this method is good for projects, collaborative projects as well, which have a very particular question on a small corpus and want to use a very close, detailed method to understand a particular problem. So that this is what we offer, and we will see you very soon. Thank you very much, and see the separate video that Hugh Kailas is creating for you on what markup language means exactly. What is a markup language? So that is the video by Hugh. Please watch that video as well, and see you very soon. Thank you very much. Bye.